Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you a unique and surprising method. Actually, that it is a black hat method, and it is absolutely a tricky method that I'm going to share with you step by step in this video right away here. So, what I want from you to watch the video to the video and to do not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly the method and the strategy is working. Because we are putting together some website and then maximizing the result from that. So today video is really amazing and it is a really tricky method that you have never seen before, and we are going to share with you this trick that you can simply implement at the end of this video and then maximize the result from that. So that is an amazing trick actually that you have never seen before and you will never see in any other platforms right here and with other people right here. So the method that I'm going to share with you is really an 100% working method, and it's a pre-topic actually that you can simply implement, and it is a black hat method. So the only requirement is that you just need to put a little bit of your time to invest into that, not money actually. You just need to invest a little bit of your time and then to maximize the result from that right away here. So the method that I'm going to share with you, we absolutely is free and legit and available worldwide because we are using CPAGrip. CPAGrip is available in all countries, and the websites, other websites that we are going to share with you in this video, they are also available worldwide. So that's why it is an interesting strategy for everyone who is living in any corner of the world. They can implement and they can simply learn a decent amount of money from that right away here. So let's not further waste the time and jump straight into the strategy that how exactly it is working. The first and important thing is that we need to sign up with CPAGrip.com right away here. Once we sign up, then we can simply log into our account right here, and we can simply choose any country products that we are promoting, so we can simply promote. But as an example, I can simply show you the United States products right here in this video. So that's why we are selecting United States only right here. But you can promote any offer or any country offers right here that you are interested, you can simply use. But the topic that I'm going to share with you is limited to yourself, and you can choose which country you use. So because you will see those country topic into that right here, and you can simply access to any country a topic and this method that you want. So you can simply uh, access into that right here. So the first and important thing is that once we sign up and we log into our account right here, we have chosen the United States, and here we have different offers right here in the United States. For example, the first one is act now for a $750 PayPal gift card, means it's a PayPal gift card right here that we can simply choose and we can simply promote right here. Another one is Get File Guy on the PS4. That is another product we offer, which is about PS4, that's paying $2.31 for conversion. And another one is the Tribot body and work samples are there, which is also required United States location right here. And here is another one about act now for a 500 Wayfair gift card right here, and that is $1,000 PayPal gift card. Here is another 750 PayPal gift card. So there are unlimited and multiple, for example, offers right here, and most of them are the gift cards right here. So what we need to do, we can simply just choose one by one right here. For example, this is a PayPal gift card of $1,000. We can simply just go there, open that, and simply copy that right here, and we can go to a Linktree account, which is a free landing page right away here. For example, we can simply go to the Linktree and sign up for a free account right here, and here we can simply mention any link, for example, that we have copied. We can simply paste it right here, okay, and here we can simply add the title right here of that free gift card. For example, this will be the title. You can simply just copy it right here, for example, and paste it in the title section. For example, get $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. So, and this will be the link that you can simply copy right here. So one by one, you can simply then close this and just open another one. For example, this is another one. You can simply just copy the title and also link, for example, and then close it and come back right here and just paste it in another section. So my purpose is that at least you can simply add 4 or 5 different offers or gift cards right here. You can simply add it right here. So once you have added right here, I have already added my ones. Okay, so you can do the same thing. I have just chosen 7, but it will be better if you just choose 4 or 5. So it will be fine right here. Okay, so once you choose those 5 gift cards right here, so then it will look something like this in front of other people. For example, if you send it your link, so they can definitely click on each individual one right here, and they can simply choose right here. So of course we have chosen all the United States topic, and we need to have the offer for the United States right here. So once we set up right here this one, then we can simply copy the link from here and start promoting right here. So I'm going to share with you 2 different steps and 2 different ways actually that how you can do that. The first step is that you can simply go to peopleperhour.com, which is a free freelancing website right here. You can simply go there and you can hire people. But remember, we are not going to hire people. We are not going to give a job to someone right here that we can pay the money for that. We are using absolutely the free method and free strategy right here, that how we can do that. Once you come to the people per hour right here, you can simply see here a lot of people that they have posted contents right here on this website. Sorry, not content, means they are just having the services for other people that they can simply just do their work right here, and they are from the different countries right here. For example, these are the users from Mexico, Brazil, United Kingdom. Okay, as you can simply see here, there are more. For example, United Kingdom, Spain, United Kingdom. Okay, and there are unlimited people right here, and you can easily target these people. So how you can target these people, I can simply show you the easiest way right here. So once you go there, here you can have the option of the search. You just need to search, for example, um, uh, virtual assistant, something like that. Once you just do that, or data entry, you can simply do that in the search bar, and then you can simply search that. Once you have searched for the data entry, you will have available all these people right here that they are data entry worker actually, or freelancers right here, that they need to do data entry right here. And here you can simply see here the filter option. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you will find enter a country, means which country people you need. So this is the trick, that you can simply choose the country that you want to promote your offers. So since we are promoting United States offer right here, we can simply search United States, for example, right here. Okay, we can simply search United States right here, so it will be available, and then we can simply click on that. But we have already chosen United States right here. We can simply close this. So all these people which is available, these are from the United States right here, these guys. Okay, and these are the freelancer from the United States. So what we need to do, we can simply go to their accounts right here, and we can simply send them message. Okay, in the message section, we just need to tell them that we have a company for doing these types of tasks right here. As a demo, I can send you a link right here that will be 4 or 5. You just need to complete as a demo. If you are successful in that and you would like to work with us like this, so we can send you 100 and a 200 plus uh, demos, not demos, actually the work some similar to these right here. You need to complete that, and please tell me the price, that how much you will charge for 50 uh, these types of offers or these types of works right here. So if you send at the first time just 4 or 5, and you tell them that this is a demo, you need to complete this and tell us your opinion, that you can simply and really do these types of tasks and how much you can do that. At the first time, they will just complete your demo and tell you, of course, exactly they are looking for this type of people, that they need to work with them. Okay, so they will send you a message or DM you that we can do these types of work, and this is your demo we have completed. So whenever these guys is completing your demo, you are earning the money from that right away here. We are not going to pay them the money. We are just sending the demo, and they are just completing this demo, means those 4 and 5 uh, works, or these 4 and 5 offers they are completing, and we are earning money from that. So at least per day you can send to people per, you can come to people per hour and send to up to 50 or 60 or 70 people. You can send them the same message like this one right here. Open their account and send them the message through your link, and they can complete the demo, and then back they can reply you. Okay, whenever they just complete the demo, so you are good to go to, and you are earning money, because that is really targeted traffic, means the US people you need. These are the exact US people. So this is the first method. The second method is that you can simply go to upwork.com. It is also an international freelance website right here, which is available in the whole world. You need to sign up for a free account right here. Once you sign up for a free account right here, then you can simply search in the search bar, for example, virtual assistant right here. Once you type, for example, virtual assistant or data entry work, for example, you just type it right here, as I have already typed it right here, data entry. So I can simply see all the people from the United States right here, and they are just also a targeted people. And here the same way you can also target a location right here on the left side. As you can simply see here the location, and you can simply just write any country that you have the offer for that, and you can simply search and the search bar and select, as I have already selected the United States right here. So you can also select people. As you can simply see here, these are all the people from the United States, and you can also DM these people and tell them that we have a demo and we have the company to do and complete these steps of task right here. Please complete the demo and tell us your opinion, that how much you will charge for 50 offers similar to these right here. Okay, so of course they will complete your demo, and they will send you the offer right here. So there are unlimited people available right here on the Upwork for any country, and these are multiple pages available right here. In each pages there are 20 and 30 or 50 people right here. You can send them the message every single day to these different people. There are unlimited people. So if you one day you have just put together, for example, United States offer, the second day you can select the United Kingdom offers, then Canada's offer, then Germany, and those countries offers you can put together and target easily those country people, and you can send them the message. Similar to this right here, you can simply click on that. For example, how you can DM that. Once you sign up for free account, you can select the user, and then you can send them a DM them, for example, that we want to just complete the demo right here, which will be 4 or 5 offers right here. So of course they will offer. So whenever they are completing those offers as a demo, so we will earning the money from that right away here. So that was the easy targeted black hat method that as I was about to share with you, and you will get benefit from that, and of course you will like that, and you will be interested in that, and of course you will take action on the method. At the backside you can see a result. If you want to have similar videos and similar offer and similar contents like this in the future, don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that before than everyone, and you will get benefit from that right away here. If you want to have a full training from A to Z, that how you can make money on a two-pillar system and a comprehensive way, check out the first link in the description of this video. All the tips, tricks, and strategies you will learn over there for really easily and for a limited time. That offer will be available right away there. So check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can learn a lot more over there right here. So hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for future updates right away here. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.